It's Tuesday, it's First Shift, I'm Jennifer Vong. Coming up, a more fuel-efficient Durango, but first up, a look at your headlines. We begin with an update on the proposed merger between Fiat Chrysler and Peugeot owner PSA Group. Reuters sources saying the boards of both automakers are meeting separately today to discuss a finalized agreement. A source close to FCA telling Reuters that the two companies could formally announce the combination on Wednesday. Another source saying that entities representing the Peugeot family unanimously approved the proposed Memorandum of Understanding for the merger. The two sides first disclosed plans for a tie-up in October and have said they want to finalize the deal before the end of the year. Congress did not extend the $7,500 tax credit for electric vehicles in a finalized spending bill. Reuters reported that the White House opposed any extension. General Motors and Tesla have been pushing for more than a year for a longer credit, which phases out once an automaker sells 200,000 EVs. Both GM and Tesla have hit the cap. To product where Porsche's top-selling Macan compact crossover is getting a sporty makeover. The 2020 Makaan GTS includes a powerful engine, performance-oriented chassis, and updated interior. It's powered by a 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6 engine with 375 horsepower. That's 15 more than the outgoing model. The Macan is Porsche's most popular model in the U.S., with sales of nearly 21,000 through November. The updated Macan arrives in U.S. dealerships next summer. It starts at $72,650, including shipping. And Toyota expects its global vehicle sales to stay at record highs in 2020. The Japanese automaker says it plans to sell 10.8 million vehicles next year. That's slightly above a projected 10.7 million vehicles this year. Dodge is giving a hybrid version of the Durango a second try. The brand unveiled its first hybrid Durango back in 2007 at the Los Angeles Auto Show. The 2009 model had a hybrid option that was built only for a few months until the former Chrysler Group closed the Delaware plant where it was made. Now, as our Vince Bond reports, the aging SUV will get a mild hybrid model in 2020 on its current platform. The UAW's new contract with Fiat Chrysler confirmed several new products that were expected and a hybrid Durango that had not been announced. The news shedding new light on the SUV's future. According to one analyst, the hybrid system likely will be a variation of the e-torque system found in the Ram 1500 and Jeep Wrangler. Sam Fiorani, Vice President of Global Vehicle Forecasting for Auto Forecast Solutions, saying, quote, allowing a big three-row utility vehicle to be more fuel efficient is an advantage and a differentiator in its segment. Finally, a first shift footnote. Porsche and Lucasfilm have teamed to develop this, a fantasy starship for the movie Star Wars: The Rise of Skywalker.
The canopy has a sloping roofline like a sports car.
Porsche says the design takes cues from the 911 and all-electric Taycan. The film hits theaters this Friday. We thank you for watching Tuesday's First Shift. We'll see you back here on Wednesday. Take care.